Hello, I'm Nivrita and I completed my internship with WSA in MERN Stack development. So during this internship, I worked on building real-world full stack application using MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. My primary project is called Synthesia, which is a full stack music streaming web application. The object of this project was to understand the complete software development lifecycle from front-end UI design and back-end API development to database integration and deployment. So in today's presentation, I'll cover my internship journey, skills acquired, project overview, system architecture, implementation details, challenges failed and faced, and also a final live demo in the end. So, the main goal of this internship was to gain hands on experience in full stack web development using the MERN stack. Initially, I focused on understanding React fundamentals such as components, props, hooks, routing, and global state management. Then we moved on to backend development using Node.js and Express, where I learned how to design RESTful APIs. And also structured applications using controllers, models, and routes, and handle authentication workflows. We also worked extensively with MongoDB to perform CRUD operations and manage user data securely. Another important objective was learning how front-end and back-end communicated through APIs, and finally, this helped bridge the gap between theoretical learning and practical industry level development. So, throughout this internship, I developed a comprehensive technical skill set. On the front end, we used React props and hooks for component communication, implemented React Router DOM for navigation, and Redux Toolkit for global state management. We also worked with advanced React features such as custom hooks, useReducer, and useref. On the back end, we implemented Node.js and Express with a proper MVC architecture using controllers, models, and routes. We built authentication system using JWT tokens, created protected routes, implemented sign up and login functionality, and developed forgot and reset password APIs. So we also managed song related states for music playback, integrated front end with backend APIs, and debugged full stack issues across environments. So these experiences help me understand how scalable web applications are built in professional environments. So Synthesia is a music streaming web application designed to provide users with personalized and intuitive listening experience. So this platform allows users to securely register and log in, explore mood-based playlists such as chill, workout, and happy, play music using custom audio player, save favorite music, and search for songs. So the UI is responsive and optimized for multiple devices. And the goal was to simulate a real world streaming platform while applying a full stack concepts learned during the internship. So this project is developed entirely using the MERN stack. The React is used to build dynamic and interactive front-end components. Node.js provides the runtime environment while Express handles routing, middleware, and backend logic. MongoDB serves as the NoSQL database for storing user information and application data. So MERN allows JavaScript to be used throughout the entire stack, which improves the development efficiency and simplifies data flow between layers. This slide illustrates the overall system architecture. So users interact with the React front end, which sends HTTP requests to the Express APIs. The Express processes authentication and business logic, then communicates with the MongoDB to store or retrieve data. The front end can be deployed on Netlify, making the application accessible online. So, this layered architecture ensures separation of concerns, scalability, and easier maintenance. So, on the front end, these are the implementation details. So, on the front end, I developed playlist components, audio player controls, authentication interfaces, and managed application state using Redux Toolkit. Then we implemented features such as play, pause, shuffle, repeat, volume controls, and a dynamic playlist rendering. On the back end, we created REST APIs for user authentication, playlist management, password reset, and profile updates using Express and MongoDB. So the front end and back end communicate through REST APIs, establishing a real time data update and seamless user interaction. So some key challenges that I have faced include managing audio player state across multiple components and handling API errors gracefully and ensuring responsive UI across screen sizes. So I solved these by improving Redux state handling, implementing structured errors responses, and optimizing layouts throughout responsive CSS techniques. And these challenges strengthened my debugging skills and improved my approach to problem solving. Now I will demonstrate the application. So here you can see the home page displaying mood-based playlists, and when a playlist is selected, the songs can load dynamically. This is the music player with the pause, play, shuffle, repeat, and volume controls. So first, now when we enter into the home page, we are now in the guest mode. That is, you cannot add a music to the favorite, or you cannot have user details. So first we need to log in, or we need to sign up first if we do not have an account. Here we need to include a writer name, then provide email and set a password to it. Then we need to sign up. After signing up, we can see that the name has updated over here. We have provided the name as test, and here we can edit our profile. We can add a profile picture where we can upload from our system. If we want to change our name, we can change it from here. And these changes get updated in the MongoDB database, as we can see over here. Then yeah, I will also log in and show it to you. Already signed in. Let me log into that account at the rate gmail.com. and enter the password that we have set before. Login. So now we have logged into the account. As we can see, we got the user details that got updated. Before it was guest, now it's test one, the name that we have provided. And here we can edit our profile by we can change our name or change the email, or we can change the password. This is how we can edit our profile. Like for example, let me keep it as test. It got updated, and it also gets updated in the MongoDB, I mean database. This is how it is. It is updated. So yeah, like the same way we can also change our name, email, and password. We can change password. So then we can also edit, like upload a picture like this. Now I'm not gonna change it, but yeah, we can add a profile pic to our account. So then now if we select a song, since we have logged in, we can add a song to the favorites. We can add a song to the favorites. Before logging in or signing up, we wouldn't have that feature, and now we can add it to the favorites. If we remove it, it's gonna go out of the favorites, and it says that we can start exploring or add songs to your favorite. Then the other feature that we before that, the other features that I would also like to show are forget password. If you forgot the password to your account, you can simply enter the email that you have provided, gmail.com, and send the reset link. Yeah, it's sending the reset link. So we got the recent link. Recent link is sent to the mail. Let's also check that. As we can see, we got a reset link, and this link will be expiring in 10 minutes. If we don't reset the password within 10 minutes, we cannot use the same link again. And here we can change the password to a new password. So the password is successfully reset, and then after resetting it, will be redirected to the home page again, and then we can log in back to our account by entering the changed or new password. The new password that I've entered, and then we come back again. The other feature, the other feature is that if you don't have an account, you will be redirected to the sign up thing again. So since we already signed in, let's log in back. So as we have already explored the favorite feature, where we can add songs to our favorite songs. Favorite. The song, yeah. The other features in the play mode are the mute option, where we can mute the song. Then this is the volume levels. You can increase the volume or decrease it. The other feature is the shuffle mode, and the repeat mode. This is the shuffle mode, which means when the song is finished, the current song is finished playing, it plays a random song again. Like, for example, this. It's playing a random song. Or I have muted, that is why there's no music. I mean, it's not audible. So the other feature is the repeat mode, which means if the song is finished, it repeats the same song, like you just saw. The song, it plays the same song again. That is a repeat feature. The other feature is the playback speed, 0.75. This is playback speed, 2x. Here, 2x. Yeah. That's how I can increase the playback speed. Then, search feature. In the search feature, we can search for a song by entering the song title or the name of the artist. Like, and when you search for a song title or name of the artist, you get the list of the songs available in the whole playlist that the song is placed in. Like, for example, like let's choose a song. This is the workout playlist. This is the um, chill playlist. This is a chill playlist. This is a workout playlist. In this playlist, suppose we selected a song first. It gives the songs available in the whole playlist of that song. The other playlist, suppose we select happy, and then we search for a song happy. It gives the songs available, a list of songs available in that playlist. That's how we can select or search for songs, and that's how this feature can be used. So, to sum it up, this is a modern responsive platform that allows users to discover, play, and manage music playlists with authentication and personalized features. So, the goal of this project again is to simulate a real world music app experience where users can browse playlists and play music, add favorites, manage accounts securely, etc. And about the user interface, the UI is designed to feel like a modern streaming platform, like the sidebar navigation with home, search, favorite, and playlist cards such as workout, chill, happy, relaxing, rock, and the central song table showing the track number, artist, year, and duration, and the bottom music player with pause play, previous, next, the volume control and shuffle and repeat, that's over here. And the design also focuses on the dark theme plus minimal layout for better user experience. And about the user authentication system, as we already saw, users can sign up, log in securely, and log out, and the passwords are encrypted using Bicrypt, and protected routes are handled using JWT tokens. So each user also has their own favorite song list, as we saw, which are again stored in MongoDB. So the playlists that we already have here are fetched dynamically from the backend. So from the API. As we already saw that when the user clicks any playlist, like chill or workout, any playlist, related songs are loaded instantly, and user can select any song and the audio starts playing in the bottom player. So this is handled through REST APIs and React State Management. And the song search feature, the users can search by song or artist, and it gives the entire playlist, as we already saw. The search bar sends queries to the backend when entered, which performs like matching and then regex matching and returns only relevant songs in that playlist. So this makes song discovery fast and intuitive. And about the favorite system, logged in, it is only for the logged in users, as I've already shown. It is not available for the users that did not sign up or log in. So in this option, we can like any song and add it to the favorites and access favorites anytime. And these are saved. Yeah, these are saved. The backend architecture works like it follows clean reset REST architecture. API slash song fetches all the songs. API slash song slash search for songs. So all the routes are it has a clear architecture. And the technical highlights are it has a debounced search, which means it avoids unnecessary API calls, and it has JWT protected routes, as I said, and it has MongoDB regex search, React hooks for state management, and Axios API integration, responsive layout, and real-time audio playback. And what makes this project special is that it has full stack implementation, real time music playback, secure authentication, personalized favorites, playlist plus song level filtering, clean UI UX, and scalable backend structure. So, this project reflects real production architecture used in streaming platforms. Then, so to conclude, this internship enabled me to build a complete MERN stack application from concept to practically applying it. So I gained hands-on experience in front-end development, back-end API creation, authentication workflows, database management, and for the future enhancements, I plan to integrate AI-powered music recommendation, which will allow users to create custom playlists and add social features such as sharing music with friends, something like that. So, overall, this internship significantly improved my technical confidence and prepared me for the advanced full stack projects. Thank you.